At the edge of a quiet river, a thorny plant stands like a fortress. But hidden among its spines is a world few humans ever notice. A miniature battlefield, a farm, and a fragile alliance that has been evolving for millions of years. Welcome to MyMicroSafari. This is nature, closer than you've ever seen. On the damp banks of flowing rivers, life grows fast. Floodwaters enrich the soil, sunlight reflects off the water's surface, and plants compete fiercely for space. To survive in such a demanding environment, this thorny plant has developed sharp spines, a powerful defense against grazing animals. Yet these thorns do more than protect. They create tiny pockets of shelter, blocking wind and trapping moisture. And within these protected spaces, a hidden society begins to reveal itself. Look closer. What appears to be a quiet stem is actually alive with movement. Under magnification, clusters of aphids emerge, soft-bodied insects no bigger than a grain of sand. Using needle-like mouthparts, they tap directly into the plant's vascular system, drinking the sugar-rich sap that fuels their rapid reproduction. A single female can produce multiple offspring without mating, allowing entire colonies to appear almost overnight. But where there is abundance, there is opportunity. Soon, the guards arrive. Ants move swiftly across the plant, navigating the maze of thorns with precision. They are not here by accident. They are drawn by honeydew, a sweet liquid released by the aphids after feeding. Watch closely, and you may see an ant gently stroking an aphid with its antennae, triggering a fresh droplet of sugar-rich food. This is no random encounter. This is partnership. The ants harvest the honeydew as a reliable energy source, and in return, they defend the aphids with remarkable aggression. Predators are chased away before they can attack. In essence, the ants are farming, and the aphids are their livestock. For the plant, however, this relationship is complicated. Aphids slowly drain its nutrients, weakening growth. Yet the presence of territorial ants can discourage larger herbivores. Nature rarely deals in absolutes. Instead, it operates through balance, a constant push and pull between cost and survival. Beyond this tiny drama, the plant itself plays a critical ecological role. Its roots grip the riverbank, stabilizing the soil against erosion caused by flowing water. During heavy rains, this natural barrier helps prevent the land from washing away. Many thorny riverside plants also produce defensive chemicals, compounds scientists study for their potential antibacterial and antioxidant properties. What evolved as protection for the plant may one day contribute to human knowledge. But perhaps the greatest reminder this plant offers is perspective. Because on a structure smaller than a branch, entire communities organize, cooperate, defend territory, and fight for survival. A world within a world. You just need to look closer. This was MyMicroSafari. If you want to see more of the unseen, subscribe.